If you want to stop automatic recurring payments in the USAA app, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the app and cancel any unwanted payments. Step 1. Open the USAA app. Launch the USAA app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your username and password. Step 2. Access the account menu. Once you are logged in, locate the account menu. This is typically found in the top left or right corner of the app interface. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the account menu, look for the Payments or Manage Payments section. Select this option to view your current payment settings and recurring transactions. Step 4. Find Recurring Payments. Within the Payments section, search for the Recurring Payments or Automatic Payments option. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions and automatic payments. Step 5. Cancel a desired payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop any automatic recurring payments in the USAA app. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to user customer support for assistance.